Explain mechanical refrigeration. Mechanical refrigeration, often referred to simply as refrigeration, is a process by which heat is removed from a location using a man-made heat exchange system. When the refrigerant enters the low-pressure cooling coil, the refrigerant changes its state into a vapor and absorbs heat. The perfect answer to this question would be: mechanical refrigeration is a process by which heat is removed from a specific location using an artificial heat exchange system. The refrigeration system can be cyclic, non-cyclic, magnetic, or thermoelectric, depending on the application for which refrigeration is needed. Which conducts heat faster? Steel, copper, or brass? Copper conducts heat faster than steel or brass. Any material that is good for conducting heat is also good for conducting electricity in most of the cases. Out of the more common metals, copper and aluminum have the highest thermal conductivity, while steel and bronze have the lowest. Why overpressurizing air conditioning system considered bad? Overcharging a refrigeration or air conditioning system can result in an explosion. To avoid serious injury or death, never ever overcharge the system. Always use proper charging techniques. Limit charge amounts to those specified on the system equipment or by the manufacturer's service information.